Hey, how you doing?
Doing good.
You know, I was thinking about getting some lunch or something. You know?
Yeah.
Maybe some Italian. You know?
I was thinking Mexican, thinking tacos.
I was thinking maybe some meatballs, some pizza. How about some pizza?
I don't know. I was thinking like enchiladas, gorditas, and tacos, man. That's what I was.
What's that even mean?
Don't you dare disrespect my tacos.
I'll take pizza over tacos any day.
I'll take pizza over your dead body.
Wait, gentlemen, this fight is unnecessary. There's a place where the almighty pizza and the always filling taco can live in harmony at Don's Itexican Eatery Emporium.
You're right. This fighting is stupid. Yeah, why are we fighting?
Let's go to Don's.
Hey, are you talking to me? I'm the Don. I'm here to tell you about your new special. I gave you an offer you couldn't refuse. What's got wings, sounds real loud, drives a Ninja Turtle bonkers. That's right, cicada pizza. That's right, folks. So come on down to Don's Itexican Eatery Emporium and get you a slice. Hey there, amigos. I may be Don, but my last name's Pablo, and I got something for all you seniors and senioritas out there that beats all the chirping out of Hispanic cuisine. Cicada tacos. If you're flying off the shelves to come and get some way, you still can. At Don's Itexican Eatery Emporium.
Perfect for special occasions.
Like my son's college graduation.
It's even great for when you're on the go.
It's alright.
This fight was stupid. I'm glad we went to Don's.
Yes, sir.
Tutaj mamy stonek.
So come on down to Don's Itexican Eatery Emporium, right by the Walmart off of 871.